In this video, I will be testing plastic removal clips by C&D. I will be using Glue Off by Super Nail, which is a great removal liquid, C&D plastic clips. We will also need regular foil, cotton pads, and oil. I will be using Daddy Oil by IBX. Now it's time to remove my acrylic nails. I am using carbide bead with green abrasive, and I always file off the top coat and the thickness of the product. We can sock off all nails without filing them off, but it will take so long. I prefer to file off like the half or even 2/3 of the product and then to sock off the rest, because I don't want to file or damage the natural nail. So I'm filing off the apex, the thickness, the length of my acrylic nails. And oh my god, I don't want to remove my favorite nail, this one with the QR code, but oh well, we need to say goodbye to my digital business card on my thumb. Okay, when we're done with removing, I will take my nails and apply oil around the cuticle and underneath to save the skin from dryness. Then I apply cotton pad saturated with removal liquid and put on the plastic clip. Feels interesting. On the other nails, I will do the same, but I will be using foil, so we can compare on what works better. I am applying the cotton pads, putting the foil, saturating it with the liquid and wrap it up. So before I had these clips, I was using just foil by itself. So this time we will be using the foil together with plastic clips. Oh, it feels so tight now. I think the one with the foil and the clip will work good. Now I do the same on the middle finger. Wrap it up, close, and the same on the index finger. Saturate, wrap it up. Make sure that the remover is not flowing right through the foil, and also make sure you're not playing with your phone at this moment. Wait for about 15 minutes, it really depends on the layer. And now let's see, because this one is kind of burning, and wow, it is socked off. So what I have to do now is to remove the product with the orange wood stick. The product is very soft, so it's so easy to remove, and looks like it's 100% removed. Okay, now what's with the Pinkie, which was the first? Wow, well, looks like this cotton pad is too dry, and definitely not all product is removed. Well, it is soft, but some part closer to the free edge still feels hard. So probably because we didn't have any foil there, it was not closed completely, so some of this liquid evaporated and dried, so the process stopped. So I'm trying to remove, and no, seems like this part on the free edge will still remain there. Oh well. So this is how it looks, almost removed, but still some parts missing. Okay, let's continue. What about the middle finger? Good. The product is soft, it removes quickly. So once you remove the foil, you need to remove the product immediately. Do not wait, because then the product will dry and it will not be so easy to remove. So what we need to do with the Pinkie, we can file it off. I'm using 180 file, or we can repeat the process again. Saturate the cotton pad with the liquid, wrap it up in the foil, and wait for about 5 more minutes. And yes, well, almost. Probably we should wait a little more. But yeah, now we can see that this part on the free edge is definitely softer and easier to remove, so I will help myself with the 180 file. And yes, finally it's all clean. So this is how the nails look like when the product is removed. If you've done everything correct, they will not be damaged, and this is how they look after I applied a new base coat on top of them. So my conclusion is this plastic clips, removal clips by C&D work great only when you're using them together with the foil. So using plastic clips do not exclude using foil. Without it, unfortunately, it doesn't work as good. Let me guys know, what do you think? Do you use plastic clips when removing gel polish or acrylic? Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post useful tips and tricks for nail techs just like this one every week. See you in my next video. Goodbye.